negi in one hand, chopsticks in the other. Grab a nice helping of noodle. Yosh. Itadakimasu. Ah. Nom, nom, nom. Oh fuck, that's hot. No, this is okay. I'll keep going. Oh shit. No, I mean, first bite, it's not that bad, but I feel like it stacks up as you keep eating, right? So we'll have to see. Okay, here I go. Ah. Mmm. And a bite of negi. Ah. Mmm. It is awfully tasty though. Mmm. Yum. This isn't that bad. I feel like it was spicier last time I had it. I'm gonna have a bite of egg now. What I do, I use the chopsticks to slice the egg in half. So I got one of these boiled eggs and I chop it in half by squeezing on it with the chopsticks with one hand. And then I'm gonna put one half of the egg in my mouth. After one more pickup of noodle. Ah. Negi. And the eggy. Ow. Mmm. Man. It's pretty spicy, but I'm doing better than I thought. I don't need the milk right away. We'll see how I go if I keep going. Ah. With water? No, that's gonna spread the spice all over my mouth. I don't want to do that. Ah. Egg. Nom nom nom. An egg. Ow. Mmm. A tongue. It's hot. This ain't that bad though. The one that I had before was spicier. And my mom's papaya salad is spicier than this too. I can handle this. Ah. Oh. Yeah, a little while ago, I was eating pho, grabbed a fresh chili and took a chomp out of it. Ah! All the chili seeds spreading the chili oil, the chili all over my mouth. This is nothing compared to that. I was crying that day. I was crying. I was in tears. Mmm. Now this is good. This is just right. Ow. Negi, negi. Nom, nom, nom. Ow. Oh. A bit of the spice just went down my throat. I could feel it as I was swallowing the egg. Oh, it's burning. It's fine. It's good though. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, right? I think it's fine. Neggy, ow. I'm gonna half the other egg now. I overboiled the egg just a little bit. It's pretty hard to cut in half with a chopsticks. It's hard egg flesh. But I'm good. I got gorilla grip. My nose is sniffly now. Nom. Should I leave these up? I'm gonna leave them up like this, huh? Just so people know what I'm eating, if they just came in just now. I'm eating this right now, by the way. It's very spicy, but it's not that bad. Yeah, next time I want to try an even spicier one. Yeah. Negi in the left hand, chopsticks in the right. One bite of noodle, one bite of negi, one bite of egg. Nom nom nom. Alright. I'm beginning to sweat a little bit. I just had a shower and I'm sweating already. Oh. One thing you have to be careful of when you're eating spicy noodles. Don't slurp so hard so that one of the noodles goes flying, because it might flick into your eye, and that's really bad. You'd probably go blind if it was bad enough. I swear. Happened to me before. Oh man. It's getting to me. It's spread all throughout my mouth, on my lips. I'm gonna need the milk soon. eating the negi raw? Hell yeah, I am. I just take one bite. I just grab it in my hand and bite it. Oh. I'm almost finished though, it's fine. I got 2 more bites left. Okay, final bite. Gochitosama deshita. Oh, that was really tasty, but really spicy. So I'm gonna go grab some milk now. Be right back.